Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks for joining me here today. I'm going to share with you a very simple leave-in conditioner spray that I use to condition my hair. Let's get right into the video. For this you're going to need some coconut. Now I got this package free and it's also organic. Pop it into a bowl and then head over to your kettle because you'll need some boiling water. Pour the boiling water over the shredded coconut. Give it a little stir just to make sure all the coconut's under the water. And then leave it as long as you can. I leave it overnight and I get it the next morning. You'll need a bowl and a sieve and a muslin cloth if you have. Mine was in the wash, so I used a cotton serviette and then pour the coconut into it, squeezing out all that lovely juice. Next, I use some rosemary essential oil. This is a natural antioxidant and it is great for the hair. Put the drops into the liquid. Give it a little mix. And there you go. Then all that's left to do is transfer it into a brown bottle. And then I put a spray thingy on top of it. I get these in hairdresser stores. And that's it. I like to put it onto damp hair, just spray it liberally and then just brush it through, and it's a really nice detangler. I keep this in the fridge. Now technically it doesn't really last more than a week or two, and just make sure to give it a shake before you use it. So I just make small quantities because it only has a shorter shelf life. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave me a comment down below if you make it. I'd love to hear how you get on. And thanks for watching the video. Have a great one. See you next time. Bye.